How many views do you need to quit your job? So you work at McDonald's, the pinnacle of happiness, but you want to leave your job and go do something else and perhaps become the next Mr. Beast, because that would be pretty epic. Now you're making about 23,000 per year. You would need at least 25,000 views a day to quit your job. Now, you're a teacher. You're listening to annoying kids all day as they raise their hands, and you hear their squeaking voices and almost want to kill yourself because they are so annoying. Now, on average, you're making at least 50,000 per year. You would need 75,000 views a day to quit your job. Now, you're a lawyer, and people are basically handing you their money. You're making on average 120,000 per year. But guess what? You want to be the next PewDiePie. In order to do that, you would need at least 150,000 views per day to quit your job. Now you're a doctor, somebody like Dr. Phil. Just kidding. And you're basically swimming in money, but you want to become Dr. Disrespect. How are you going to do that? You're going to need at least 400,000 views a day to quit your job. Now, you're an NBA player. You're basically shooting hoops all day and playing with balls. Now, you're going to need to average at least 7.7 million because basketball players get paid way too much. Now, we broke the scale with this one, but you would need at least 4 million views a day. Well, I'm guessing at least 8 million, but yeah.